In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Tailwind for your Vite React project. You want to make sure that you have your terminal open and that you're on the Tailwind official website. You will also want to make sure that you have Node installed for all this to work. So the way to check if you have Node installed is to run this command, node-version. And as you can see, it returns a version, and that means we have Node installed. So to get started, we're on the website, Tailwind website. We're going to click on Get Started. We're on the installation page, and we're going to click on the framework guides, and we're going to select Vite. And we're going to start by copying and pasting these commands in the terminal. But first, you want to cd into the desktop. This is essentially where you're going to create the files, and you're going to run the command. npm create Vite at latest is essentially using Vite to scaffold a project, and it's going to use a React for the project essentially. And then cd my project essentially stands for change directory to my project, and we're essentially just gonna go into the my project folder. So now we've already done that. I'm just going to open up this project on VS Code, and now instead of running the commands in my terminal, I'm going to run them in VS Code directly, which is essentially the same thing. So I'm going to run npm I for install. So that's going to install all the dependencies in this package.json file. And now if we run npm run dev, we should have a basic React Vite project, and all that is working. But we're going to kill this because we're going to continue with the Tailwind installation. So we could kill this as well. We're going to now run this command, which will essentially add a Tailwind config file for us. And that's this file over here. We're going to copy and paste this. This is basically telling Tailwind where to look for the Tailwind classes. So it's going to look in the source directory and then everything within this directory with these extensions, file extensions. And then we're going to copy and paste the Tailwind directives. So if we look in main.jsx where the CSS is imported, it's right here. We have the index.css. This is where we're gonna want to add our Tailwind directive. And let's see, this is not working because we killed it. npm run dev. As you can see, the style is slightly different now because it has some of the Tailwind default styling. If we take this out, oops, there we go. Now we removed all of the default CSS that came with the React Vite setup, but now we have all our Tailwind stuff. We're going to skip this step because we already have it running, and now we're going to add this example code that Tailwind provides us in the actual component hello world. And as you can see, we have it working. We're going to do bg red 500 just to verify. And we're going to do h screen, which does height at 100 vh. And as you can see, it is working, and we have IntelliSense and all that good stuff. Line offset, let's do like 8. There we go. So that's basically all you need to do to install Tailwind with your Vite React project. If this video was useful, give it a like and a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any requests or any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching.